Everything that nobody ever asked for, I'm not chosen. The Mr. Gun. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy K Dizzy. If you want to learn deeper what I'm talking about and learn my strategy, click the link in the bio, and I'll see you in class or I'll see you in the videos. But this move right here today, April 22nd, before 9 a.m. This move was insane, and I'm gonna break down what I seen. So we're on gold, and I woke up at like 8:30, and you know, this is 8 o'clock right here. Price hit this area right here. This is a 5-minute institutional candle right here. Once it hit this, it sold down, broke this low, right? And I came to the market around this time. I marked this area as a 2-minute. These are 2-minute institutional candles right here. Now I seen this whole move happen, right? I seen this whole push down, and then I seen this blue candle form, and I knew, you know, based off the structure it's going and the momentum that it's gonna make, this is basically an institutional candle waiting to be forming. So as soon as this candle formed and it started having momentum pushing down, I got in around like here, and as you can see, look where we are, you know. But I already closed once it hit this 1 hour, and done in like 2 minutes, you know what I mean? And these are $1,000 moves, these are $10,000 moves, these are 500, these are $2 moves. Like, yeah, this is a undefeated skill. If you want to learn how I'm doing it, go to the description. I trade live for free weekly in Discord, and I also teach my strategy live. So, or I teach my strategy for free and paid. But it doesn't matter where you fit in. Get in where you fit in, and I'll see you.